Hello my friends, welcome back to my cooking channel, Ellen's Homemade Delights. And today in my southern kitchen, I'm going to share with all of y'all one of my favorite lemonades, strawberry lemonade. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. It is so crisp, it will quench up your thirst and perfect on a hot summer day. Also, Juneteenth is coming up. This will be perfect to serve for your Juneteenth cookout. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more beverage recipes, check out my beverage recipes playlist and my previous video, No Baked Key Lime Pie. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your ice, squeeze up your lemons, and get them strawberries puree sugar, because we're about to make some strawberry lemonade magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make our simple syrup. In my medium saucepan, I have my fire over high heat. I added in 1.5 cups of white sugar. And into our sugar, we're going to add in 2 cups of water. Give it a quick stir. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, our water and sugar has came to a boil. And you see how I created this simple syrup? So now we're going to cut the fire off and remove it from my burner. So now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure lemon extract and 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. Going to give our lemonade a little extra flavor. And give this a stir. So now we're going to let the simple syrup cool completely at room temperature. And while that's cooling, let's go ahead and get started on our other ingredients. Over here on my cutting board, I have my lemons. And also, if you squeeze it real good like this, it'll be nice and juicy. So we're going to cut it in half. And just squeeze it like so. See how nice and juicy that is? And make sure you get all the seeds. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish squeezing the rest of my lemons and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through squeezing my lemons. And in total we need 1.5 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I love the smell of lemon. So now we're going to set our lemon juice aside while we puree our strawberries. In my blender, we're going to add in 1/2 pound of fresh strawberries that I rinsed and I removed the tops. So now we're going to cover it. You can also do this in the food processor. We're going to puree it until it's smooth. Alright my friends, I'm through pureeing my strawberries. See how nice and smooth that is? Nothing like the smell of fresh strawberries. Alright, perfect. Now we're ready to make our lemonade. In my pitcher, we're going to add in our pureed strawberries, our fresh lemon juice, the simple syrup that we made earlier, nice and cool, and 2.5 cups of cold water. Give it a quick stir until everything is well blended. And that's it, my friends. Our strawberry lemonade is ready to serve. And if you want, you could jazz it up by substituting the lemon juice for limoncello. So now I'm about to get my mason jars together and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have my mason jars and I filled them up with ice. So now we're going to pour in our strawberry lemonade. Alright, and there's a few more things we got to add to it. A strawberry, a lemon wedge, a fresh mint leaf, and 2 straws. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Fresh strawberry lemonade. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. So refreshing, full of fresh strawberry and lemon. Oh, and nothing like strawberry lemonade. This is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Strawberry lemonade-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen's Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Much love and happy Juneteenth. Cheers.